In this video, we showcase a altered motion, rods and restorations custom built. 850 horsepower 1970 Dodge Challenger named Kryptonite, with a Holley Dominator EFI vehicle management system and custom stainless steel headers with 3-inch dual exhausts by Joe Barstow from After Hours Fab and Performance. A Roadster Shop Fast Track complete chassis tucked 3 inches inside the body. With a Dodge 6.2-liter Hellcat Mopar crate engine with a Whipple 2.9-liter supercharger producing 850 horsepower. And a Challenger Hellcat dashboard with console and custom black leather and suede upholstery with hugger orange stitching. Bare disc brakes with Forgeline GZ3 3-piece forged wheels and Michelin Pilot Supersport tires. With a Tremec T56 Magnum 6-speed transmission and a custom front tilt hood with Beyond electric actuators. Brom Racing 5-point harnesses and universal steering column with a Billet Specialties Prism steering wheel and a Sicky shifter with a pistol grip handle. With OE Dodge Challenger LED taillights and custom rear spoiler. And Oracle LED headlights with a flush-mounted front bumper and roll pan. Shaved drip rails, door handles, and rear marker with a custom grille and front splitter. Custom PPG Deltron Chameleon Green paint job with matte green accents and hugger orange pinstripe. And a electrically actuated trunk lid with flush-mounted windshield and rear window. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.